Hi, this is Smart Academy. I am giving classical mechanics classes. In last some videos, I discussed about rigid body dynamics. In this rigid body dynamics, I explained moment of inertia. Today, I am going to explain about two theorems. We have two theorems: perpendicular axis theorem. One more is parallel axis theorem. So, before going to discussion, please subscribe my channel, Smart Academy, for physics entrance classes. If you take CSR, NET, JRF, whatever, if you go for IIT J also, these useful topics I am explaining now. See, this is perpendicular axis theorem. We shall first discuss about perpendicular axis theorem. So here, what is perpendicular axis theorem? So the moment of inertia of a planar body. So this theorem is applicable to planar bodies. The moment of inertia of a planar body about an axis perpendicular to its plane is equal to the moment of inertia of a planar body about an axis perpendicular to its plane is equal to sum of its moments of inertia about two perpendicular axes concurrent with perpendicular axis and lying in the plane of the body. This is the theorem. So I want to explain in detail. See, this is applicable to planar body. One more is an axis perpendicular to its plane. The perpendicular axis, about perpendicular axis, the moment of inertia is equal to sum of moments of inertia about two perpendicular axes is equal to perpendicular axis. So this is the theorem here. This is one planar body. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is z-axis. Here the moment of inertia of planar body about z-axis equal to Iz, about y-axis equal to Iy, about x-axis Ix. So what I am going to tell here, this is origin of the planar body. So the moment of inertia a perpendicular axis, moment of inertia of planar body about perpendicular axis is Iz. This is Iz. So x and y axis to mutually perpendicular axis. See, I am taking this one here. What is here? We have, see, this is planar body, this is z axis, this is y, and one more is x, y, x, y, x, y, z. So here this is z axis, so this is x axis, one more is this is x axis, this is y axis, the perpendicular is z axis. So about this axis the moment of inertia is equal to sum of perpendicular axis moment of inertia, that is equal to Iz equal to Ix plus Iy. See, this is perpendicular axis planar body. See, this is perpendicular axis, this is a planar body, this is a perpendicular axis. These two more axes, that is x and y. So about this axis moment of inertia is sum of these two axes moment of inertia. This is Iz, this is Ix plus Iy. So these three axes concurrent on the same plane. These three axes concurrent. So Iz equal to Ix plus Iy. Iz equal to Ix plus Iy. So this is the theorem, perpendicular axis theorem. So that is equal to Iz equal to Ix plus Iy.